Okay, so now we have a better understanding of the main activity. Remember that you can think of an activity as a single screen on our app. By lesson 5, we'll find out that this isn't necessarily true, but for now, this simplification is fine. In most apps you've built thus far, your app has had a single activity. Near the end of the Just Java app, you added code that sent an intent to an email app to send an email out with the coffee order summary. And in the Miwok app, we'll also be sending intents. But this time, we're not launching into other apps on the Android device. Instead, we're sending intents to open other activities that are created within our Miwok app. So we should have 5 activities in our app, the main activity, as well as an activity for each of the 4 categories of words. When we click on a category in the main activity, we'll send an intent to open a new activity that will eventually contain a list of Miwok phrases for that category. To start off with, all activities will be empty, but this activity will eventually show the list of number words, and this activity will show the list of family member words, and etc. for colors and phrases. So let's work on creating these 4 other activities in our app. I'll walk you through how to create a new activity in Android Studio. Right-click on the package in the project directory. Go to New Activity, Empty Activity. When the wizard pops up, give the activity a name. In this case, we'll use Numbers Activity, and accept the defaults and click Finish. Now it's your turn to create activities for the remaining categories: phrases, colors, and family members. If you run the app on your device, there should be no errors. However, you won't be able to click the category buttons to open these activities until we add more code in the next step. After you create each new activity, navigate to the Android manifest.xml file under the App Manifest folder to observe how it's changed. Now to recap what your tasks are. First, I'd like you to create the 4 new activities in the Miwok app. So that'll be the phrases activity, the numbers activity, the family activity, and the colors activity. And then next, go ahead and navigate to the Android manifest.xml file, and then answer this question. So how does the Android manifest.xml file change as you add more activities to the app? Now I know this is a new file that you haven't seen before, but try to make an educated guess by checking out the visual changes that you see in that file, and go ahead and write your answers here.